Hey, Eugenio here from Discover My Business. Right now I'll show you how to integrate your website with the YouTube channel. It's really quickly, go to your YouTube channel. On the top right side you'll see your icon, Creator Studio. Then on the top left side you'll see the middle set channel. It will be open another window, click Advanced and scroll down and enter your website URL over here. So our website is here. Copy paste URL and insert over here, click Accept. This is how you add your website to the YouTube channel. Sometimes it's not working for first time, so make sure under the channel section you enable some of these features. I hope this is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. If you need help with the setup and management of your sales funnel, Google AdWords, Facebook ads, retargeting, landing page, conversion tracking, and Facebook Pixel with Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager, please click link below, consulting.discovermybusiness.co, and I see you in a free strategy session. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.